Let's make a tea syrup. This tea syrup is 1 part sugar and 1 part tea, and I only have half a cup of sugar, and I'm gonna put that in my saucepan. And now I'm gonna put half a cup of freshly brewed tea into my saucepan as well. If I can do this, I'm gonna do this over this little bowl so I don't spill too much in. And by in, that means the saucepan or my countertop. Now I'm gonna take this to the stovetop. Here on the stovetop, I'm gonna turn this on to a very low heat, and I'm gonna stir until the sugar dissolves. I'll be right back with you. Now that the sugar's dissolved, I'm gonna remove it from the heat, and I'm gonna let it cool to room temperature. I'll be back with you in a bit. Now that the syrup is room temperature, I'm gonna bottle it, label it, and refrigerate. Oh, gotta be careful here, I don't want to overfill. Fancy bottles if you have them, mason jars work fine. Fancy labels if you have them, masking tape works fine. So we have black tea, 1:1, and today's date is April 14th, 2026. And there you have it, a tea syrup. Enjoy.